beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel that's empowering you with the knowledge to help you build generational wealth by revealing the financial education that we do not learn in high school. Remember that video I did a long time ago about the second stimulus check? So we finally got it a few months ago, but it was only $600 per person. Well, just now, like an hour ago, Congress signed off on another COVID relief package, which does include a third stimulus check of $1,400 per person. Those who qualify are single taxpayers with an adjusted gross income of $75,000 and married taxpayers with an AGI of up to $150K. It also extends weekly unemployment benefits through the 6th of September and a myriad of other financial relief efforts that you see listed on the screen. This video, however, is to clear up any confusion regarding the increased child tax credit. Normally, for those who qualify, the child tax credit is $2,000 per child under the age of 17. In this COVID relief effort, there is a one-time increase, meaning this is temporary, of $3,000 per child under 17, $3,600 under the age of 6. But when I say it's not what you think, I mean that you will not see that credit this year. Let me make it plain. We're in 2021 and the income tax season we are currently in is for the income earned in 2020. So this increased tax credit will not be a benefit until 2022, which is when we file income tax returns for 2021. So if you have already filed your tax return this year, don't worry, you haven't missed out on anything. How this helps those who need it now, I don't know. It's probably the question on many people's minds, which is probably why there is currently an effort underway to provide half of the credit in monthly installments beginning in July of this year. So based on your 2019 to 2020 income tax returns, you may begin receiving monthly checks or deposits in July of this year, and they will continue until December. The total amount received in that 6-month time frame will equate to half of the total credit you are expecting. So if you have a child who is 6 years old, you can expect a total of $3,000. Half of that is $1,500, so you will receive 6 monthly payments of $250 between July and December. You will receive the other half next spring in 2022 when you file your 2021 income tax returns. If you want, you will have the option to opt out of the monthly payments and receive it all as a lump sum when you file your taxes next year. It's totally up to you. All that aside, the president is supposed to sign the new bill on Friday. And it is possible that stimulus checks will be received by the end of the month. Remember, this is not money for you to be tax time rich with. This effort is to help you cover your necessities. So pay your bills, your rent, your lights, your car note, put some food on the table. And when that's all said and done, save it. Save the rest, because I can guarantee that this will be the last relief package and there might be a few surprises around the corner because this money is not free. Don't say I didn't warn you. But that's it. I hope you learned a little something. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment any questions you may have about this or any topic of your choosing. Until the next time.